traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is a wave A. It definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down for a wave B, and I think it's going to end up making a uptrend for a wave C. Higher high wave C, lower low wave B. That's why I'm calling it a very likely to be an expanding flat. It could end up being a running flat also, but either way it still should lead to big uptrends on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think the wave 1 ends right here. I think we got a big running flat wave 2. That would most likely make this right here a wave 1. That would make this a wave 2, and I think that would make this all a wave 3 of either a running flat or an expanding flat wave 3. Either way, not that important to know yet, because either way it should lead to a big uptrend. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very impulsive up. I mean, it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. Nice Fibonacci belt. It looks like we're back into the uptrend. If we're back into the uptrend and we are in a wave 3 on the very high time frames, then what most likely is going to happen is that it will just keep on going up. It'll break the previous highs and just keep on going. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely just looks like an ABC crutch, and I was originally kind of thinking that maybe this was a wave A and maybe this was going to be like a wave B, like an expanding or running flat wave B, and then it would go down for a wave C, make a little bit of a bigger correction on the 4 hour daily time frame. But that's probably just overcomplicating things. I mean, really, it just looks like 3 waves down. It looks like impulsive up. It looks like it's back into the uptrend, all subdivisions of a wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if it does break to the downside, which probably would be right around here, then that probably would tell me to put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I would personally still be looking for longs because of what I see on the higher time frames, but if you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, if you're like a scalper and you see it break down, then looking for shorts is definitely very valid. We have a really big news event coming out on Wednesday tomorrow, so hopefully what happens is it goes down for the next 24 hours or more, which hopefully will set us up for a really nice long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend, all subdivisions of this wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.